Coming up.
Yo.
Let's begin.
Aku kill him, press kill him. Bombat. Biar mo na kill apa show 6 saya kill sini. Cut that guys. Betul demi yan. What? Wala na si good people. Yo, that big na.
That's one. Big red tail, I know.
Yo. Guys, one day people, isn't it? Yes man. Yeah guys, we're out here now. Yeah man. Yeah, ladder. No bad one, neighbor. No bad one. Let me. But that shine, man. The guys, I go look you right top of them right now, you know. You can't get them, Jaffa, apa yuk Jaffa? Listen to Jaffa. I get to be ready now. Cut me tell lah. But I check tonight. 7.5 just up to. Guys, relax with me can't. This is not the one bigger than I'm bigger than.
No, sir, I'm not.
So wait bigger.
Sure, no more to make that.
So one nigga me see another four that chap next to it.
There are two sides of the line.
Oh.
Two sides of the line, brother.
Oh man, that's a reaction. Come and see.
Wait there, come down, check that up.
Yeah, deep water the coming with.
Back at you. I'll give it a rest. Give it a rest. Put that back at you. I'm not going to up the way I might go, man.
Alright.
Put it behind this skip. Yeah.
Guys, that's the first time I come and film me, you know I'm capable of, you know. So I'm dropping what?
Nice, yeah, I would try it. Yeah.
I'm dropping shade now guys, but I'm not saying what's still. We are leave the elder speechless, he's still not denial, he don't believe it. What says that, 45?
This one's like, go and beat up one, start them.
Ever?
My youth, you don't know how to practice. My little youth, please, beat up couple.
Ever, I'm serious. Yes, so now we come and come and see outside. See you fighting, come and see, right?
Yeah, no, sure, no.
You know, one thing?
Go on. You see some? Skin bad, just like, you know, make it go in like this skin out.
Alright, alright, Nepo. Yes, yeah, please take it. Yes,
I can't make girls them.
Here's them pet. No bad word, Nepo, no bad word.
Oh,
we have decent people watching. Christian people don't like those things.
like Christian contribution, but
yeah, but they're not deep on camera like how we are deep on camera. Remember, so we have audience in a way. We have little people watching, we have all people watching. So we have to be respectable and keep it PG. You have to keep it respectable in everything. Not try to build a fan base where we can Anybody attack you, I'll show you them.
Some people come again after they're although some of them ain't family and they're rich. Like that. So, you know? Yeah, I'm one.
You have a person on your beach street, you know? You have a person on your beach street, too.
Yeah, you know what?
I know him, but I don't know him. The sinker here, and Chan Pandis, look.
You know?
You know him. So guys, it's clip on the line and this clip on the rope. So put it on board. Drop off, look them one as they come. First one now. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. There's a deep water. Bottom now. Take 6 of them. See how far bottom the line there. Never. I just have one for them that. Gotcha.
One for them.
Never. Full line the one for them on this one.
No, man, I could do that. Put that I'm giving a
okay. You guys are still good? They took overboard. Man, a bad like cushion and never a bad like bonus, but we can't do anything. You see me? Can't let go line, can't let go net. Yeah. Oh, see camera.
20 minutes later.
I'm gonna sit on them. You know, they're right there, man. I'm gonna suffer one and two level. Soon up there right there. When I use the game full yet. You see me? So as soon as we do that, yes, I get him right here. There's a hit on him right. That's the believer, but we believe in it. I mean, we're forward carry, you see me? Really? Me and the forward with deep drop off. Fall in the seat, it's like in the fully believer, but I got it, man. Yeah, almost to the first almost at the evening. About 6 of remaining. I don't know. Brown. Guys, it's at the final. I don't know. Yeah, man. Hey, wait there. Wait. Yeah, me too. There when it comes from. This one I broke in. If it's a me people want to say what I'm talking. Let's clip it right like this, look. There's a small nose on the rope. Just open this up. Clip it down and close it. Just like that, people. You see me? This is called a tuna clip. Look guys, the weight of a bowl, so just drop it down and lead up the rope, turn on the light guys, just like that. That's okay with that rope it up. Yes, I come up on the right. Wait, extra. Which one I drop? This one I don't look at. Alright. Guys, simple and easy. Simple and easy fishing guys. And these are the polling guys, we're not 30. You understand? light inside of it. Yeah. I'm gonna get your phone. You see it, people? Just like that, guys.
That's a line of 15.
That is it. That's a code. Alright guys, we're out and stunting. Alright guys, I've come up on top of the pole now. As you can see. I'm not sure if you can see that still, but we are going on top of the now. Oh, you see it? You alright? Can you stop now?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, got time to pick up now. Can't see what I'm going. Jag kan bend no like. Aquilo é tudo. Aquilo ainda é tudo, yeah, bend. Oh, going up and for you plan for animal.
Yeah. Just like, I that's the move.
Alright, there's one that come. Alright, this. Talk to a nice one. What's one, guys?
Right?
This side. That. Ini film ako malang. Ini film ako. Of spoiled people. Keep engaged, man. Him. Cribs in touch. No, we know if mobile pala conquer that. Like what them do different. I think see you guys at Big Moon. Them will call boxer guys. Them here call them them name is Caesar Grunt. So yeah, it's them little and swift. You see me? Trunk on top of it guys. Them box have to beat fast. So you climb out big, swing them out fast man. No joke. Alright guys, so see falling right so the first middle. Well I want middle still. So reach to it. Yeah, collect it while even try. Bait guys, this is conch. You see one on each end. This is me.
No, underneath that.
So reach it first, the 1 miggle now guys. Alright guys, gonna go down to very I'm sure the bow going so far. So look back guys. Alright guys, that is it. Set number 1 complete. It's not the best guys, but we're still grateful for them. Right Neville? Yeah. It's not the best, but we're still grateful for them though.
Is it?
I say it's not the best, but we're still grateful for them.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Sure no implant now
I
guys.
get this one.
That's 300 odd hook, right Neville? I changed it back. Roughly 300 guys, give or take 320 give or take, right? You see me? That's what find out about the guys. 100% grateful for them people. No joke. So we're gonna know we're going inside a bit more and then try one next one people. So guys, this is how basically we feel like today. You see me? Basically this.
Set number 2.
Alright guys, set number beep. Camera. Alright guys, set number 2 or number few we should say in process now.
Number 3.
Number few.
Number 2 man, a two. Number both few. A 2.
A few man. Alright boss.
Second.
Son of me alone then. Second set guys.
25 minutes later.
Get up sir. Get up sir.
You talk so.
Yeah, so line cut at the same time. Yeah, I started man. I already younger that I thought about. The last star boy man. You say just in your prime now? Never? Just in your prime like prime time news.
Yeah.
Or prime energy drink.
Yeah, that young man prime time.
You hear that? Oh god. Guys, it's done now, you know.
That's not what I'm saying.
You're in the line now.
I run out.
So we are both going to sync up the polling again. No? So put over the weight first.
No, put the cup in this one.
Yes sir. Alright. So guys, this is called a toner clip. Whole heap of power in them guys. Whole heap of power. Toner clip, yeah. You ever them who shoot toner? Them they use when they gun clip on. Wait off no people, so let's stay tuned, man. Yeah. Guys, let's start take up now. First one. We can see many more. I think somebody wish happy birthday, guys. Yes, I wish them a many more. We can see some many more. Yes. So let's stay tuned, guys. I want to try man.
Exactly what I'm using.
Sound different, I guess. So. You realize?
Huh?
It sound a little bit different, I guess. So. You still going close to the show side. What type is this so far? That make you know sit a record.
Yeah.
When you beep again, you know say lock off. You understand?
You work it. Guys, and I'm not sure if I'm big enough, but you can't feel the picture. Can't feel the picture. I'm big one, nice. Nice. What is it?
Not you. Conk in catch pan. Catch pan conk.
Thief.
Yeah.
me, man.
Listen, watch your face. This is the morning set, guys.
Not be trying what I'm doing. That's where I go.
Aye.
Time to go home.
Guys, go for literally at 4% right now. So guys, most likely I say video gonna end or something like that, people. So stay tuned or something. I'm listening for myself, alright? Yeah man, we're heading home right now. Alright guys, guess what's going on now? The GoPro dead to the max pa I'm showing now. You know, come on, no time at all. No time, people. GoPro dead! Frost out. Watch out guys, I'm sure I'm going to see you guys. Every fisherman from last night guys, we got the same type of sea we go, a ball send on the work. Jax, where you say? You find them? The Jackson? No, for it, I find them. Jackson, I find them. Johnny! 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 Where you find them? Jaja. Good with that too. I remember to beat them. But guys, no, not as me someone. For this long while, I got plan to see go on so. Guys, them pretty, don't get it wrong. Them pretty. But me I tell you. Guys, I'm gonna say on this best myself and stay tuned, people. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And by the way, guys, sun just raised it. Sun just raised because I'm coming early. Time I now 6:05. Alright. So guys, best myself. There people just love to mention so you the video just was stressed now that 30 minutes out of the video. Actually took me about 13 hours to make. Not including editing time. Editing time will make it come to about 15 hours and what else to make this video. But yeah, overall enjoy that video. Stay tuned to myself. Remember to like, comment, share, and most definitely consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed as yet. Until next time, stay tuned. Bless myself and thanks for watching. And this video was back in August when the earthquake just passed. So the earthquake passed this morning, August in the evening. So maybe that was the reason why 50 megawatt that work. But of course, you're grateful to see you, isn't it? Whatever, see you can listen to until next time. Thanks for watching.